Hey, hey, it's Berta J, and you're back in my kitchen with me today. I've gotten some comments from many of you that you want to eat healthier. You're changing your lifestyle. You're wanting to put better food into your temple, your body. And so I wanted to share today with you 3 tips that I use in order to stay on the plan and on the road that I want to stay on so that I can get healthier and thinner. Not just thinner, but healthier. And as you get healthier, it just automatically, the weight starts to come off if you put better food into your mouth. This whole video is about you need something already prepared before you walk through your door. The first one is make sure that you have some celery. Even if you don't like celery, try this one. I use this. I've cut up some celery here. You take it, you cut it into pieces, I don't know, maybe 2 inches long, and you keep it in a container. You can put water in it or not. And when you walk through that door, you know that you've got some celery waiting for you in your refrigerator, and you can run to that. It'll help you. I'm telling you, it'll help you. That's number 1. Number 2, I always keep water, plain old water. I do have mine filtered, but keep a glass of water somewhere near you and drink it. If you go out to the store, even to work, I know many of you drink coffee, but you can't drink coffee all day. I hope you don't drink coffee all day. Start drinking some water. And I just have a cup of water somewhere in my kitchen near my desk, and you can pick that up and you can drink it. It's really good for you. I've heard a lot of things about how much water you need, but that's not what we're going to go in today. I just want you to make sure that you have some water available for you to drink when you get through that door and you are ravenous, and you can pat yourself on the back because you know you didn't stop at the fast food store. That's 2. Now the third one is one that I use all the time. I've already got my steamer ready to go. But you can cook it any way you want, as long as you get it cooked. I just take a bag of carrots. And these are organic carrots. What I found out about carrots as well as sweet potatoes is that when you get organic, they're just automatically sweeter. It doesn't matter what kind I buy. But I get these because they're at my local grocery store. You want to purchase at least a 1-pound bag of your baby carrots. I'm going to rinse them off because they're always wet. So I'm going to rinse off whatever that is floating around in there, okay? After they're rinsed, take your steamer basket, and every time you see, baby carrots they don't grow this way. They make them, but they're made from carrots. Just that little thing bothers me, so I cut it off. And when they're big, I cut them in half. So that's what you're going to do with each one of them. Carrots this size, you can just throw in your steamer baskets. See how it's all torn apart because it's made from pieces of other carrot. It's that big on the back side. If it's that big or that big, that big, but if it's this small, that small, and even this one is okay. So these will get cut in half. And that's what I'm going to do. And the reason I'm cutting them in half is because they will cook faster. Okay, so I'm done steaming. They're all steamed. And just so you can see how tender they are, the fork goes right in and easily picked up. So this is really a meal for me. For those of you who are low carb, this would not be a meal for you, but if you're just a whole food plant-based person, this is perfect. About a cup or so of carrots on here, and that's it. This will be your meal. Put away the rest of these, which is about 2 cups, a cup and a half, 2 cups. Put these in a container with a tight-fitting lid. Put it in your refrigerator. If you forgot to cut up your celery, you don't have it anywhere, you don't feel like drinking water, carrots are sweet and they taste good, and it's a good vegetable for you. So you could run to your refrigerator and say, oh, that's right, I cut up some carrots and they're all steamed and ready for me to eat. So you can go to your refrigerator, pop open the top, and start eating on some carrots before you even prepare dinner. Those are my 3 tips for when you are really rushed and you didn't get a chance to eat before you came home. So that's it for today. Until next time. Bye for now.